We firefighters are known for our courage in the face of danger. Every time a fire alarm rings, we respond with readiness and selflessness. Yet today, we demonstrate another kind of heroism, the quiet and compassionate act of donating blood so that others may live. This simple act reflects the very heart of public service, giving a part of ourselves for the welfare of others. As we gather today for this bloodletting activity, held in observance of Fire Prevention Month 2026 with the theme, sa pag-iwas sa sunog, hindi ka nag-iisa. We are reminded that the mission of the fire service goes far beyond extinguishing flames. Our duty is ultimately to protect life before, during, and after emergencies. In the same spirit, this activity shows that safeguarding our communities also means supporting public health, strengthening solidarity, and extending help even when there is no emergency call. Alongside us, our civilian donors and participants, ordinary people doing something extraordinarily. Remember, you may not wear the uniform of a firefighter, but today, you stand as heroes just the same. Every bag of blood donated is more than just a medical supply. It is a hope for a mother giving birth, strength for a child undergoing surgery, and another chance for a life for a friend, a neighbor, an accident victim, or someone fighting for tomorrow. We may never meet the person we choose to help, save, but that is the fundamental nature of service. It is done not for recognition, but for humanity. Let this activity inspire us all to continue building a culture of preparedness, compassion, and shared responsibility. We come together with a common purpose. We prove that service and humanity burn brighter than any fire. This event would not have been possible without the dedication and cooperation of the participants, the organizer, and the partners who made this a success. To the facilitator who worked tirelessly to organize the activity, to the brave men and women of the Bacolod City and the NIR as a whole, to our medical partners who ensure that the blood donation process is safe and successful, and to all the volunteers who give their time and effort, maraming salamat sa inyo. This is the essence of public service and a true spirit of the Negrense community. People helping people, not because they are asked, but because they care. As we continue our observance of Fire Prevention Month, let us always bear in mind that it is our routine responsibility to strengthen our capabilities in promoting fire safety in our communities. Every day which signifies our ever-ready action. Let us remember that preventing harm and saving lives can take many forms. Today, it is through blood donation. Tomorrow, it will be through intensive fire safety education, innovative programs integrating our unique resources and technological advancement, as well as implementing their meaningful and development-oriented initiatives. As your regional director, I affirm our unwavering commitment to excellence in service to the Bureau, guided by one compass as unified Negros Island region. This is a clear manifestation that the BEP NIR has delivered. May nagawa na tayo. Continue to deliver. Patuloy tayong gumagawa. And we will continue to do more. May gagawin pa yung inyong BEP NIR. This reflects to our mantra. Sa BEP NIR, sa BEP NIR, hindi pwede ang pwede na. We always strive for excellence. Because the public we serve deserve nothing less. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po sa lahat.